Yo, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Byron, the instructor. And I'm here with my son today. Who wants to play music. Anyway, we're gonna talk about suppressors. So, Nate is gonna be running the YHM machine company. Integrally suppressed. It's actually really dope. We're gonna see how this is. We change the logo around, new BCG on that model. It's gonna be interesting to see what happens. I am going to be running my tactical Carl. And I know everybody's like, well, wait, you don't have a suppressor. Actually, sitting right here, it's already been fitted with the muzzle brake from AAC, Advanced Armament Company. This is the Ranger 7. Now right here, I'm utilizing the quick detach. This is why I can just drop this on, twist this up. Ooh, that's on there too, I like it. I like that security. Now, we'll be up here ready to go. Suppressed lifestyle, man. Unsuppressed is uncivilized. Now I know what y'all like, man. Y'all like to see trigger time, right? Now I will say, this is already a 16-inch rifle, so this does make this extremely long, but we'll see. We'll see what we get. We'll see how quiet it is, and this is what y'all really like. This is what y'all really want to see. Stay tuned. It's about to go down. Have fun. Shoot safe. Let's get it. Go. Back now. Men too. They always take care of us with the magazine. Got that AAC can.